In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rakuten Dining. Rakuten Dining is a simple way to earn cash back, usually around 5%, just by eating at participating restaurants and paying with a card you've linked to your Rakuten account. There are no promo codes to remember and no receipts to upload. Once you're set up, you simply dine, pay, and the cash back takes care of itself. Start by signing in to your Rakuten account. If you don't have one yet, create it first. It only takes a minute. Next, link the credit card you plan to use when you eat out. On the app or the website, go to Wallet or Cards, then add your card details. This is important. The card you link is the card that triggers the cashback, so make sure it's the one you'll actually hand over at the restaurant. For the most reliable tracking, pay with the physical card rather than a secondary payment method. Now find a place to eat that qualifies. In the app, tap the In-Store tab at the bottom, then choose the Dining filter. You'll see nearby restaurants that offer Rakuten Dining cash back. Browse the list, look at the cash back percentage, and check the location that's eligible. Offers can change, so it's a good habit to confirm the restaurant is still listed before you go. When it's time to eat, head to a participating restaurant and enjoy your meal. When the check comes, pay with the same card you linked to Rakuten. That's it. There's no need to activate anything at the table, add an offer, or scan a receipt. As long as your purchase is processed by the restaurant and charged to your linked card, Rakuten can automatically recognize it. After you pay, sit back and let the system do the work. Cashback is typically credited to your Rakuten account within about 3 to 5 days after your dining purchase. You can check your account to see the pending or posted cashback. If you don't see it after a few days, double-check that the restaurant was on the dining list for your location and date, and confirm that you used the linked card for the final charge. That's all there is to it. Sign in, link your card, discover participating spots in the In-Store tab with the dining filter, eat and pay with the linked card, and watch your cashback appear automatically. Happy dining, and enjoy earning a little extra on meals you were going to buy anyway.